What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible iAuto pen plotter handwriting robot machine, a game-changing device that's about to revolutionize the way you approach writing and drawing tasks. With its advanced features and capabilities, this machine is set to make your life easier, more efficient, and incredibly creative. So, let's dive in and see what this amazing device has to offer. First off, let's talk about the enhanced control with API integration feature. This is a total powerhouse for businesses and individuals alike, as it allows you to unlock unprecedented control over the machine. With the newly integrated API documentation, you can seamlessly integrate the iAuto into your business operations, empowering your team with the flexibility to customize and automate tasks to suit your unique needs. Imagine being able to simplify your workflows, boost productivity, and drive innovation with ease. That's exactly what this feature provides. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, create custom workflows, or simply streamline your operations, the API integration is the perfect solution. Next up, we have the automatic detection infrared device for effortless paper feeding and bulk writing. This feature is an absolute lifesaver, especially when it comes to bulk writing tasks. The automatic detection infrared device in the paper feeder ensures seamless and precise paper handling, making it incredibly efficient and accurate. With the ability to auto-feed up to 80 papers, 30 envelopes, and cards each time, you can say goodbye to tedious and time-consuming writing tasks. Whether you're generating invitations, letters, cards, signatures, or envelopes, the iAuto makes it easy to get the job done quickly and accurately. Plus, with the ability to handle bulk writing with ease, you can focus on more important tasks and leave the writing to the machine. Now, let's talk about the Excel integration feature, which is similar to email merge. This feature is a total time saver, as it allows you to effortlessly import data from your Excel spreadsheets directly into the iAuto automatic writing machine. No more manual data entry or tedious copy-pasting. Simply upload your Excel file, map the relevant data fields to placeholders in your writing materials, and watch as the iAuto automatically replaces them with the corresponding information. Whether you're generating customized letters, envelopes, documents, or cards, this feature streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Imagine being able to create personalized and professional-looking documents with ease. That's exactly what the Excel integration feature provides. Another feature that really stands out is the font deformation, which gives you thousands of font variations at ease. This feature is perfect for those who want to add a personal touch to their correspondence or make a statement with their marketing materials. With the ability to access thousands of font variations and stroke deformations, you can create truly unique and eye-catching documents. From elegant scripts to bold and modern typefaces, the advanced algorithms allow you to customize every aspect of your fonts and strokes with ease. Whether you're looking to create stunning and memorable designs or simply want to add a touch of personality to your writing, the font deformation feature is the perfect solution. Lastly, the iAuto also supports SVG format, pre-made fonts like Quantum Fonts Upload, and even custom font design services. This means you can unlock limitless creativity and explore a world of possibilities in bulk writing and drawing. With the ability to upload SVG format files for intricate designs, you can create complex and detailed artwork with ease. Plus, with the convenience of free pre-made fonts upload, you can access a wide range of fonts and styles to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to create custom artwork, personalized documents, or simply want to add a touch of creativity to your writing, the iAuto has got you covered. In conclusion, the iAuto pen plotter handwriting robot machine is an incredible device that's set to revolutionize the way you approach writing and drawing tasks. With its advanced features, capabilities, and user-friendly interface, this machine is perfect for businesses, individuals, and creatives alike. Whether you're looking to streamline your operations, create custom workflows, or simply add a touch of personality to your writing, the iAuto is the perfect solution. So, what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing device and start unlocking your full potential today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your writing and drawing to the next